This is today's Green Minute, Green Build Edition, brought to you by the Home Builders Association of Greater New Orleans and Entergy New Orleans, the power of people. And I'm Jim Parks.
Hello there. When you go to turn off your TV, off is off, right? Well, it's mostly off. There's a small amount of electricity, phantom power, running through most home appliances as long as they're plugged in. Here's a DVD player. Of the energy it consumes, how much do you think is used when it's turned off? 75%. And phantom power runs through your air conditioner, phone charger, computer,
fax machine, furnace, modem, nightlight, cordless phone, power tool, printer, gas range, security system, DVR,
cable box, stereo, CD player, caller ID, garage door opener, microwave, surge protector, answering machine.
and your TV. For the whole nation, that amounts to $3 billion a year. One remedy is to unplug electronics when you're not using them. Don't try this with your clock radio. Or you may find it easier to plug your electronics into a power strip so that all the power goes off with the flick of a switch. The U.S. Department of Energy has rated all kinds of devices and their standby power consumption, and they remind us that when you're shopping for electronics, the ones with the Energy Star label generally consume less power, whether they're off or on, or off, on, off, on, off.
We made this video, and we can make yours. MinuteNavigator.com